there, welcome to my channel. I have another review for you guys, and it's gonna be on original Gigi canvas baseball hat in black by Gucci. Alrighty, so it has the nylon whip detail on both sides. Super cute. It has the adjustable hook and loop closure on the back. And then it has that cotton lining inside with the Gucci logo. It's super cute. And anybody could wear this. Whatever your normal head size is for your other hats, just go with that same size and you'll be fine. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and show your support.